The Cubana chief priest is not far from the truth. If we continue to tell ourselves that a society is only for the rich and the poor cannot participate, then I don't think we would have all the necessary facilities if the poor man out there doesn't grow as well. Well, he said a lot here, and yes, it was more of like a New Year message to his customer at one of his bars in Owerri, Nigeria. Now, he also said something about 2023, the politics and all of that, P2D and all of that. Just listen carefully. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment below.
A lot of people, they where they especially people way there abroad, they tell people no go back home. Home no good. Home don't spoil. Home do this. Home do that. Our society belongs to us, and we are not going to leave it for anybody. We are going to protect our society, and we are going to make a living out of our society. Society is you people gathered here today buying my liquor. Society is Protea there where you're going to sleep today. Society is everyday supermarket where you're going to buy your stops from, and Caution where you will buy your diesel and fuel. We cannot do without each other. It's trade by barter. I buy from you, you buy from me. So look for something you're gonna sell. People will buy from you and you will still buy from others. Don't spoil our society. Don't bring violence. Don't kill your own brothers. Don't kill your own sisters. Positivity is what we're bringing to 2023. We will never spoil our society. We will protect it. We will cherish it. We will adore it. We will nurture it. And it's going to bring all of us greatness. It's going to be a shutdown. Only time will tell. Never stop. Never settle. Shout out to big brands that I represent. I work with Louis Vuitton, Moet and Hennessy. You know what that means, huh? I work with Nigerian breweries. I represent Gouda. Are you playing, bro? I work for Mikano. I work for Chile. I'm a supercar model. That's a fun